Permanent tissues. Permanent tissues can be broadly classified into two types, simple and complex. Permanent tissues are those in which growth has stopped, either completely or for the time being. The cells of these tissues may be living or dead. If living, they will have thin wall, and if dead, they will have thick wall. Simple tissues. Simple tissues is made up of only one type of cell. The common simple tissues are parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. Parenchyma. It is an important living tissue found abundantly in the cortex, pith of the stem and root, and also in the mesophyll tissues of leaves. Depending upon the structure, content, and functions, they are named as chlorenchyma, aerenchyma, palisade parenchyma, and spongy parenchyma. The parenchyma cells are thin-walled, rich in cytoplasm, and they are actively metabolic and sometimes loosely arranged with small or large intercellular spaces. Chlorenchyma. It is a living tissue. The parenchyma, which contains chloroplast, are called chlorenchyma. Aerenchyma. It is also living, and parenchyma with large or small intercellular spaces, that is the air spaces, mostly found in water plants. Collenchyma. Collenchyma generally occurs in the dicot stem below the epidermis in one or two layers. The layers of collenchyma cells together called as hypodermis. It is absent in the roots of land plants. It is also present in the petiole. It gives strength. It is a living tissue. Cells are elongated and the cells are thickened at the corners. Collenchymas sometimes contain chloroplast and carry out photosynthesis. Depending upon the structure, they are classified into lamellar, that is brick-like, angular, that is angular, lacunate, corners thickened. Sclerenchyma. Sclerenchyma is a dead tissue. The cells have lignified walls. They lack protoplasm. On the basis of structure, function, and origin, they are divided into sclerites and fibers. Sclerites are short with numerous pits, whereas fibers are long with less pits. Sclerites. Sclerites are dead cells. They are also called as stone cells, which have thick walls due to lignin deposition. The lumen of the cell, that is the central portion of the cell, is very much reduced and have simple or branched pits. The sclerites are of different types. Brachysclerites, they are called as stone cells, found in the bark, pits, and cortex. Macrosclerites, broad cells, found in outer seed coat. Osteosclerites are also called prop cells, found in leaves and seed coat of many monocots and subepidermis of legume seed coats. Astrosclerites, also called star cells. They are common in stem and leaves of dicots. Example, tea leaves, petiole of lotus. Fibers. Fibers are also dead cells. They are long, narrow with pointed ends. The cell walls are thickened and have simple pits. They give mechanical strength to the plants. Thank you. Have a good day.